A nomadic hyena moves in on a rival's territory. Policing his turf, the landowner takes a stand and raises the hair on his neck almost a foot high. He wants to look big and bad. Both hyenas are evenly matched. Their inch-long canine teeth are designed for tearing flesh. The hyena has a bite pressure of around 1,000 pounds per square inch. That's about 3 times greater than a Rottweiler's. The nomad stands firm. The landowner puts his opponent in a headlock. Then, a counterattack from the nomad. The landowner won't back down. Realizing he's out of his depth, the nomad changes his tune. Heavy cries and vocalizations signal surrender. The ferocious scavenger secures his turf.